Hello everyone, we're here to present to you our final project, which is called the Smart Doorbell. It is part of the IoT course. Let us introduce the team. My name is Ghassan, my teammates are Maher and Amir, and our project is called Smart Doorbell. The project aims to simulate a meetings room, a conference room, that outside the room there is a button, an OLED screen, and an LED light. The OLED screen with the LED light should present the room status. The LED should be green, and the OLED should present a happy emoji in case of the room is empty. The LED should be red, and the OLED should present a sad emoji in case of the room is occupied. We will simulate those situations in the video. And when pressing the button, it will show the next meeting if the room is empty. And if the room is occupied, it will send a notification to the room's owner, notifying him that someone is outside the room. Now you can see that the LED light is blinking blue, which means that there is no Wi-Fi connection between the ESP and Wi-Fi. So we connect the ESP to Wi-Fi via the Bluetooth app, in which we send the SSID and password to the ESP, and it should present if the ESP has connected successfully, and we see so. So now, in a few seconds, we should see that the light is green and the OLED presents a happy emoji. Now on the right hand side you can see the application in which users can log in and sign up for the application and set up meetings. Of course our project supports multiple users, and each of them can reserve the room. It should be noted that there is only one conference room, and in this project we didn't support multiple rooms for multiple reasons. Okay, so now you can see the application, you can see the profile, which each user has it. He can edit the profile, he can edit his name, his image, his phone number, address, and email. Now we want to show some statistics. Each column means how in which percentage the room is occupied at this time. Now you can see that from the 11 p.m. until 12 a.m. the room is maximum occupied, and you can see the chart is different between each time. In this screen you can see all meetings, meaning all meetings that are within the desired room. Currently there are no meetings, no one has set up a meeting. And you can see so by the OLED screen. If you press the button, this should present to you that the room is empty for the day, meaning that there are no meetings until the end of the day. If you want to set up a meeting, user should go inside the application and set the start and end time of the meeting. In this case, we have set the meeting to start at 11:30 and to end at 11:50. A user can set an insert meeting, and this should insert the meeting to his schedule. And once you press the button, it will read from the ESP in the start of each minute. So if we wait 1 minute until we... Okay, so now a minute has passed, and now we can see that the LED displays the next reservation that we did from the phone by the user. It presents the start and end time of the meeting and who is the owner of the meeting. And if we try to insert a meeting that is gonna start in the next time period, now we can see that the meeting has successfully been added. The meeting starts from 11 until 11:20. So now we need to wait for the next minute to start, so that the ESP would be updated. And now we should expect that the ESP should display, it should turn on a red LED light, and all the screen should be sad because there is an ongoing meeting, meaning that the room is occupied. Now if we press the button, we can see from the screen that the room is occupied, and it tells you the owner, and it sends the application a notification to the owner that someone is waiting outside the room. You can see that this notification is being sent to the owner of the room. Disregard if the owner is inside the application or outside the application. You can see that the notification has been sent and that someone is waiting outside the room.